You silly, you must leave. You stupid monkey. Hi, I'm Benevolent in the flesh.
This is the remix.
Thank you. Good morning, how are you?
Good, come on in.
How are you?
Alright, let's replace that hose then. Hello, Homer?
Yeah, how you doing, boss?
Dude, how are you supposed to fix that?
You're a little pussy. You're a little pussy. I love you. God loves you. God bless you. We shall not. We shall not. We will not. Hi, I'm Benevolent in the flesh. Fuck you. He's snottiest. Say it, don't say it. Adibel. Adibel.
Virtual school over here.
Do you know where it was coming from?
No.
Then let me see if I can find
I
it.
thought it was coming from that, like, what's it called? I don't even know what the name of it is.
The drain right here?
No, at that part.
This part right here?
Yeah, but actually, I think the other. Like,
Well, let me turn on the water. I'll see it. You're a little pussy. You're a little pussy.
Someone was working in here, so
Okay.
they left the tile. I can't get those out of there, they're too heavy. So this shower head, I mean, not the washer, and the leak in the sink.
I see the shower head's dripping. Alright.
Of the disposal is leaking.
Oh yeah. Mark. Standing water, yeah.